In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted or lost WeChat chat history on your iPhone using the built-in backup and migration feature. This is the safest and most reliable method because it's official, free, and works directly inside WeChat without needing third-party tools. First, open the WeChat app on your iPhone and tap Me at the bottom right corner. This is where all your account settings and tools are located. Next, tap Settings, then select Chats. This is where you'll find all options related to your chat history, backups, and migration. Now, tap on Backup and Migration. This feature is built right into WeChat and is the key to restoring your lost conversations. Then, choose your recovery option. Here, you'll see two main options. The first one is Restore on a new device, if you're moving your chats to a new iPhone. The second one is Chat History Migration, if you just want to restore or transfer chats from the same device. Choose the option that matches your situation. Finally, select the backup file you want to restore. WeChat will start recovering your chats automatically. Just make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and keep the app open until the process is complete. Quick reminder before we wrap up. Tip 1. WeChat backups don't last forever. If your backup is too old, it might not be available, so it's best to migrate chats as soon as possible. Tip 2. If you're switching phones, make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi for the migration to work smoothly. Tip 3. For extra safety, you can also export important chats as files using WeChat's desktop version. That way, you'll always have a copy even outside of the app.